Hello, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to remove the cart icon from the Shopify header. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left side, click the Online Store button. Just click it. The Themes page will open. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu will appear. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page will open. In Filter Files, search for Base DSS. You'll see a file named Base TS. Click it to open your store's appearance script. All your store styling code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link to this page is in the description along with the code to remove the cart icon. Next, click the button labeled Click Here. Just click it. The code will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste it with Ctrl+V in the blank line. After pasting, click the Save button in the top right corner. Once saved, the change will be applied successfully. When you visit our store, you'll see the cart icon has been removed. Your store will no longer have a cart. If you prefer, you can skip directly to checkout. I hope this video helped. Goodbye.